Taga Cebu. Cebu, nakita niyo sa Isla. Musta mga higala, sakay taron o guan river cruise boat sa Peterborough Liplak. First time na ako diri sa unong katuig, so ato ning soyag sakay ron. Pakita na itong mga nindot nga view diri sa Peterborough sa Makloski. Buhatan og makina. Oh, mga higala na ako nakita nga mga katagi-Lungsod, taga Cebu, Talisay. Nakay pa rin sila o river cruise dito sa Peterborough. Taga Talisay, say hi.
Toronto?
Toronto, taga Toronto sila nagpuyo. Ako nara ko diri pero karon ko kasakay aning busakay. So, kuyog meron alas 10 tayo lang schedule mo. Manira, marina mga higala.
Nagpupog lang po sa itong pang-merin.
Hindi niya midari kay buhat ni nga mo sakay sa river cruise.
Hello.
Ha? Or news-minded. Okay. Ako nang i-search na. Jessica kanina kayilo taga Bantayan Island niya bunit si Kati taga Cagayan de Oro niya si Tony loyo ni Chica si Ma'am Mercy ni kana si Dada kana naka-blue kalo si Ring bana ni Ma'am Mercy og si Mirel mga taga Talisay yan sila tanan.
Who's going over the lift lock today for the very first time? Excellent, me too.
Even Marina. Sino yung pangalan mo?
Dada po.
Ada. So, kauban na mo ron ng onboard aning river cruise. First time po niya, as turun lang kuyo. Anak tadi mo saka tadi aron tahu inter atau sa lock atau sa lock mga kaubayan sa ayan kauban
I can't stand up here, okay guys? And they really do not recommend watching TV.
Si Dada ug si Kati.
How about that? And there's a rainbow head. Yeah. And how about that?
As we can all well imagine, especially during our very busy summer months right here in town, this bridge that's out in front of us, it'll swing 5 or 6. It could even swing up to 10 times an hour. The largest user of this track being Quaker Oats, they take about 15 or 20 minutes to close this bridge each way. To open or close this train bridge, they can still do that manually. Back to Egyptian times when they used to have canals that crisscrossed through Egypt. The Gabion walling in Peterborough does two things. One, following in behind us, there is a wave or a wake. As this wave or wake washes into the Gabion walling, it is very quickly dispersed. So no matter how many boats are traveling up and down our canal, it's always nice and smooth. Not only do boaters and fishermen alike use our canal system right here in town, right across the road from us, everyone runs underneath the road and right up the side of our canal. So whenever they need to water their lawn, all they do is turn on the irrigation system, sucks water from the canal underneath the road, and it is dispersed throughout their entire property. As we round this final maple tree, we are now all approaching the highlight of this trip, which is our house. Give you all a quick explanation about how this works when we get into the chamber. Hopefully they'll give me enough time to explain it a little bit more in detail. Right now, one chamber up in the air on the right-hand side, the secondary chamber in the slow position on the left. This large gate already opened up. Got green lights under the chamber. We're going to pass directly over top of that gate. They will close the gate in behind us. At that time, the lockmaster, who's way up in the tower, opens up the crossover valve. The chamber in the air will cut the sound down. Large gate is going to begin to come up and out of the water. Not sure what's on there. As we do continue to rise right now, everyone, do not worry about the air is now surrounding the world.
Larga na daw sa pinaka-high slip locks. Slip o kalibutan.
This bridge, they swim boated that travel through this area, but nothing to the waterway. Fields, you go on and step through Lake.
Kumusta atong vlogging?
Nice kayo.
Nice kayo.
Nice sa technology. Hi to all Bantayan.
Bantayan.
Island.
Wow.
Continue on north from there.
Cagayan
Asa
de
na?
Oro.
Cagayan de Oro.
Yes. Pero Cebu Cagayan na.
Good.
Video ang mga lak pagsaka na to.
Oo.
Nice kayo.
Or so that 33. It's now walking 32. Continue on north from there, just a little further from that, Ontario. But from there, we also close
Mo na ang
down to Isla.
Park Hill mga higala. Park Hill Bridge sa Peterborough.
This one, we're all going to turn around.
Balik naman mga higala. Dire raman kutob di ay. Uman mulahos dito sunahan, layo punta na kaya dito. Balik na. Balik na to. Oh. Mao na ang Hunter Street, lapos na dito sa downtown Peterborough. Manaog na tagbalik mga higala kay ganihan ni Saka ta karon manaog na tagbalik. Naog na ta mga higala. Ang makapasaka ni nagpaubos nga ay dako kay jaka ni Silaom na di magakusog duha ka tawo. Moy mo saka pataas ani nga lak. Samtang paubos ta kanang na musaka sa nasiya. Kung musaka, kung paubos na kanin niya itong sakyan, musaka po. Gawas na ta sa highest slip lock around the world. All over the world, eh.
Taga Cebu.
Cebu, nakita niyo sa Isla.
Nice.
Naon na may higala sa Nara sila itong
Manamong boat tour.
kasakay yun dool.
Severn. Trent Severn water.